SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management Online Training. Introduction to SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management. SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management (SIM) is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses manage supplier data. It provides a centralized repository for storing and managing all supplier information, including contact details, product catalogs, and financial information. Benefits of using SAP Ariba SIM. There are many benefits to using SAP Ariba SIM, including improved supplier data accuracy and consistency, reduced supplier onboarding time, increased visibility into supplier performance, improved collaboration with suppliers, reduced risk of compliance issues. Key features of SAP Ariba SIM. SAP Ariba SIM includes a number of key features, including supplier registration and onboarding, supplier data management, supplier risk assessment, supplier performance management, supplier collaboration tools. How SAP Ariba SIM can help your business? SAP Ariba SIM can help businesses of all sizes improve their supplier management processes. It can help businesses to save time and money, improve compliance, reduce risk, improve supplier relationships. What is supplier management in Ariba? SAP Ariba Supplier Management is a portfolio of solutions for managing supplier information, life cycle, performance, compliance, and risk. Solutions to automate, customize, and integrate consistent onboarding and qualification processes make it easier for you to connect with and prioritize your preferred suppliers. How does Ariba work for suppliers? Like eBay or Amazon, the Ariba network supports both sellers and buyers. The platform provides sellers with the ability to manage catalogs, bids, purchases, and invoices, and it provides buyers with the ability to search for suppliers, negotiate savings, procure goods and services, and track spending. What is the primary purpose of SAP Ariba? SAP Ariba solutions integrate with other SAP procurement solutions to provide tools, services, and expertise to reduce financial and operational disruptions, meet workforce and customer needs, and lower supply risk and market uncertainty. Is Ariba a buyer or supplier? As a supplier, you might already have an existing relationship with a customer who invites you to form a relationship on Ariba network. As a buying organization, buyer, you use Ariba network to enable electronic processing of orders and invoices with your existing suppliers. Is SAP Ariba an ERP? SAP Ariba is one of the market-leading procurement platforms for B2B business. Customers and suppliers alike benefit from fully electronic purchasing processes because Ariba enables them to improve their trading partner relationships and create value rapidly. What are the uses of SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management? SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management (SIM) is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses manage supplier information, including supplier profiles, certifications, and risk assessments. It can be used to onboard new suppliers, SIM provides a self-service portal for suppliers to register and maintain their information. This can help to reduce the time and cost of onboarding new suppliers. Manage supplier data. SIM can be used to store and manage all of a supplier's information, including their contact information, products and services, and certifications. This can help to ensure that supplier data is accurate and up to date. Assess supplier risk. SIM can be used to assess the risk of doing business with a supplier. This can help to identify and mitigate potential risks, such as financial instability or compliance issues. Collaborate with suppliers. SIM can be used to collaborate with suppliers on a variety of tasks, such as sourcing, purchasing, and quality management. This can help to improve communication and collaboration between businesses and their suppliers. Comply with regulations. SIM can be used to comply with a variety of regulations, such as Sarbanes-Oxley and the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. This can help to protect businesses from legal and financial risks. Why choose SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management? There are many reasons to choose SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management, SIM, but here are a few of the most compelling. Improved supplier data accuracy and consistency. SAP Ariba SIM helps you to collect, maintain, and update supplier data in a centralized location, which can help to improve the accuracy and consistency of your supplier data. This can lead to a number of benefits, including reduced risk of errors and omissions in your supplier data. Improved supplier performance. Increased efficiency in your procurement processes. Simplified supplier onboarding and qualification. SAP Ariba SIM can help you to automate the supplier onboarding and qualification process, which can save you time and money. This can lead to a number of benefits, including reduced time to onboard new suppliers, improved supplier quality, increased compliance with your procurement policies, enhanced supplier collaboration. SAP Ariba SIM can help you to collaborate with your suppliers more effectively, which can lead to a number of benefits, including improved communication with your suppliers, increased supplier satisfaction, improved supplier performance, reduced risk of supplier fraud. SAP Ariba SIM can help you to identify and mitigate supplier fraud, which can save you money and protect your reputation. This can lead to a number of benefits, including reduced risk of financial losses, improved brand reputation, increased compliance with your procurement policies. What are the challenges of SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management? SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management, SIM, is a strategic tool that helps organizations manage their supplier data and relationships. However, there are some challenges that organizations may face when implementing and using SAP Ariba SIM. One challenge is the need to get buy-in from all stakeholders. As SAP Ariba SIM impacts many different departments within an organization, it is important to get everyone on board with the implementation and use of the tool. This can be a challenge, as different departments may have different needs and priorities. Another challenge is the need to clean up data. Before implementing SAP Ariba SIM, organizations need to clean up their supplier data. This can be a time-consuming process, but it is important to ensure that the data is accurate and up-to-date. Once the data is clean, organizations need to train their employees on how to use SAP Ariba SIM. This can be a challenge, as the tool is complex and there are many different features to learn. However, it is important to ensure that employees are comfortable using the tool so that they can get the most out of it. Finally, organizations need to monitor and maintain their SAP Ariba SIM system. This includes making sure that the data is up to date and that the system is secure. It is also important to make sure that employees are still using the tool and that they are getting the most out of it. Tips for overcoming the challenges of SAP Ariba SIM. Get executive sponsorship. Having executive sponsorship can help to ensure that the project has the resources and support it needs to be successful. Develop a clear business case. A clear business case can help to justify the investment in SAP Ariba SIM and to get buy-in from stakeholders. Create a strong project team. A strong project team should include representatives from all departments that will be impacted by the implementation of SAP Ariba SIM. Communicate effectively. It is important to communicate the benefits of SAP Ariba SIM to all stakeholders and to keep them informed of the project's progress. Change management. Change management is an important part of any SAP Ariba SIM implementation. It is important to help employees understand the benefits of the new system and to provide them with the training and support they need to be successful. Continuous improvement. It is important to continuously improve your SAP Ariba SIM system. This includes making sure that the data is up to date, that the system is secure, and that employees are still using the tool and that they are getting the most out of it. Is learning SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management useful? Yes, learning SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management (SIM) is useful for a variety of reasons. Here are some of the benefits of learning SIM. Increased efficiency and productivity. SIM can help you automate many of the manual tasks involved in supplier management, such as onboarding new suppliers, collecting supplier data, and maintaining supplier records. This can free up your time so you can focus on more strategic tasks. Improved supplier relationships. SIM can help you build stronger relationships with your suppliers by providing them with a self-service portal where they can update their information, submit invoices, and track the status of their payments. This can help you improve communication and collaboration with your suppliers. Reduced risk. SIM can help you identify and mitigate potential risks associated with your suppliers, such as financial instability, compliance issues, and quality problems. This can help you protect your business from financial losses and reputational damage. Increased compliance. SIM can help you ensure that you are compliant with all applicable laws and regulations related to supplier management. This can help you avoid fines and other penalties. In addition to these benefits, learning SIM can also make you a more marketable candidate for supply chain management jobs. SIM is a widely used software application, and there is a high demand for skilled SIM professionals. If you are interested, here are some of the specific skills you will learn by taking a SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management course. How to create and manage supplier profiles. How to collect and maintain supplier data. How to onboard new suppliers. How to manage supplier relationships. How to identify and mitigate supplier risks. How to ensure compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Best practices of SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management. Here are some of the best practices of SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management, SIM. Cleanse and standardize supplier data. Before you start using SIM, it's important to cleanse and standardize your supplier data. This will help to ensure that your data is accurate, complete, and consistent. You can use SAP Ariba Data Cleansing or a third-party data cleansing tool to cleanse your data. Use a centralized supplier repository. SIM provides a centralized repository for storing and managing supplier information. This can help to improve collaboration between different departments within your organization. It can also help to reduce the risk of duplicate supplier records. Leverage supplier self-service. SIM allows suppliers to register for and update their own information. This can save your organization time and money. It can also help to improve the accuracy of your supplier data. Use supplier qualification questionnaires. SIM allows you to create and manage supplier qualification questionnaires. These questionnaires can be used to assess the capabilities and qualifications of your suppliers. Monitor supplier performance. SIM provides tools for monitoring supplier performance. This can help you to identify and address supplier risk. Integrate SIM with other SAP systems. SIM can be integrated with other SAP systems, such as SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA. This can help to streamline your supplier management processes. Use SAP Ariba Best Practices documentation. SAP provides best practices documentation for SIM. This documentation can help you to get the most out of your SIM implementation. Get training on SIM. SAP offers training courses on SIM. This training can help you to learn how to use SIM effectively. Advantages of SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management online training. There are many advantages to SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management, SIM, online training. Here are a few of the most compelling reasons to consider this type of training. Convenience and flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, which is especially beneficial for busy professionals. You can access the training materials from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Cost effectiveness. Online training is often more cost-effective than traditional classroom training, as there are no travel or accommodation costs associated with it. Additionally, online training materials can be updated more easily and frequently than traditional classroom materials, which can help you stay up to date on the latest changes to SAP Ariba Sim. Interactivity and engagement. Online training can be more interactive and engaging than traditional classroom training. This is because online training often includes multimedia elements, such as videos, simulations, and quizzes, which can help you learn more effectively. Additionally, online training often allows you to interact with other learners and instructors, which can help you stay motivated and engaged. Access to a wider range of expertise. Online training allows you to learn from experts from all over the world. This is because online training courses are often offered by a variety of different organizations, including SAP itself, as well as third-party training providers. Ability to track your progress. Online training often allows you to track your progress, which can help you stay motivated and on track. Additionally, online training often provides you with feedback on your performance, which can help you identify areas where you need to improve. Career opportunities in SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management. SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management (SIM) is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses manage their supplier information, life cycle, performance, compliance, and risk. It provides a centralized platform for managing supplier data, automating supplier onboarding and offboarding, tracking supplier performance, identifying and mitigating supplier risks, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. SAP Ariba Sim Consultant. SAP Ariba Sim Consultants help businesses implement and configure SAP Ariba Sim solutions. They work with clients to assess their needs, design and implement solutions, and train users. SAP Ariba Sim Developer. SAP Ariba Sim developers develop and maintain SAP Ariba Sim solutions. They work with the product team to design and implement new features, and they work with customers to troubleshoot and resolve issues. SAP Ariba Sim Support Specialist. SAP Ariba Sim support specialists provide technical support to SAP Ariba Sim customers. They answer customer questions, troubleshoot problems, and escalate issues to the appropriate team. SAP Ariba Sim Trainer. SAP Ariba Sim trainers provide training to SAP Ariba Sim users. They develop and deliver training courses, and they provide hands-on training to users. SAP Ariba Sim Project Manager. SAP Ariba Sim project managers manage SAP Ariba Sim implementation projects. They work with clients to plan and execute projects, and they manage the project team and resources. Salary expectation in SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management. The salary expectation for a SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management (SIM) professional can vary depending on experience, location, and company size. However, According to Glassdoor, the average base salary for a SAP Ariba SIM specialist in India is 7,23,698 rupee per year. Here is a breakdown of the average base salary for SAP Ariba SIM specialists by experience level. Entry level 4,50,000 rupees to 6 lakhs rupees per year. Mid-level 6 lakhs rupees to 8 lakhs rupees per year. Senior level 8 lakhs rupees to 10 lakhs rupees per year. In addition to base salary, SAP Ariba SIM professionals may also receive bonuses, commissions, and other forms of compensation. The total compensation package can vary significantly depending on the individual's performance and the company's policies. Here are some of the factors that can affect the salary expectation for a SAP Ariba SIM professional. Experience. The more experience a professional has, the higher their salary expectation will be. Location. Salaries for SAP Ariba SIM professionals tend to be higher in major metropolitan areas than in smaller cities or rural areas. Company size. Salaries for SAP Ariba SIM professionals tend to be higher at larger companies than at smaller companies. Industry. Salaries for SAP Ariba SIM professionals tend to be higher in certain industries, such as technology and finance. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management online training? Industry-leading expertise. Proexcellency is a leading provider of SAP training and certification courses, with a team of experienced trainers who are experts in SAP Ariba. Flexible and convenient learning. Proexcellency offers a variety of learning options to suit your needs, including instructor-led online training, self-paced online training, and blended learning. Comprehensive curriculum. Proexcellency SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management online training course covers all of the topics you need to know to become an expert in this area, including supplier onboarding, supplier management, and supplier collaboration. Real-world scenarios and hands-on exercises. Proexcellency SAP Ariba Supplier Information Management online training course includes real-world scenarios and hands-on exercises to help you apply what you learn in the classroom to the real world. Guaranteed success. Proexcellency offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all of its SAP training courses. Thank you.